If you want to activate eSIM on Redmi Note 15 Pro or 15 Pro Plus, what you can do is you can go to settings, then we're gonna proceed to mobile networks, and then in here look for turn on eSIM option. Of course, we can tap on the switcher in order to turn it on, and if you have two physical SIM cards, then the SIM card number 2 will be deactivated so that you can actually use eSIM. After that, you will be redirected to manage eSIM menu, and over here you want to tap on add eSIM, and of course now we can scan the QR code for the eSIM. You can also add the activation code if you want to, if you cannot scan the QR code for some reason. You can also open the gallery in order to get the QR code from a photo that you have in the gallery on your phone, and also you can activate the flashlight. Once you add the eSIM, you should be able to press got it. However, it is quite important to also check if the eSIM is enabled. So if it's off, you want to tap on this arrow on the right side and you want to turn it on in here. That's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.